Hello, Word. Welcome back to another exciting episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of words. Today's word is current. It's a B1 level adjective that means happening now. Current refers to something that is in progress, existing, or happening at the present time. In everyday language, we use it to describe things that are up to date, ongoing, or relevant to the present moment. Think of it as what's going on right now. Let's dive deeper. A great synonym for current is present. For instance, instead of saying the current situation is challenging, you could say the present situation is challenging. Another synonym is existing. You might say, the existing laws are sufficient to address the problem instead of the current laws are sufficient to address the problem. Furthermore, the word ongoing can work as a synonym. An example is, the ongoing investigation is expected to conclude soon, or the current investigation is expected to conclude soon. We can also use the word contemporary as a synonym, especially when referring to style or fashion. For instance, you could say, she prefers contemporary art, or she prefers current art. Another useful synonym is recent. Instead of saying, I read it in the current news, you can say, I read it in the recent news. Now, let's explore some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of current. A prominent antonym for current is past. For example, he reflected on his past experiences, which is the opposite of focusing on his current experiences. Another antonym is former. We might say, she is the former president of the company, indicating someone who held the position previously, unlike the current president. Also, future serves as an antonym. Consider the sentence, we are planning for the future, contrasting with addressing current needs. The word previous is also an antonym. You could say, the previous owner made several improvements, indicating someone who owned the property before the current owner. The word outdated is also a contrasting term. Saying, this software is outdated, suggests it is no longer current or up to date. How can we use current in everyday life? You might say, what's your current address? When asking for someone's present address. You might also hear, I'm not up to date on the current trends. Or you might ask, what is the current exchange rate? When traveling. You can also say, the current weather is sunny and warm. Some more examples of current in sentences include, the current price of gasoline is too high. She is working on her current project. The current time is 3 p.m. We need to address the current issues immediately. The current government is facing many challenges. Here are some phrases that commonly use the word current. Keep up with the current events, meaning to stay informed about what's happening in the world. Go against the current, which means to oppose the prevailing opinion or trend. In the current climate, referring to the present circumstances or atmosphere. In summary, current is a B1 level adjective that means happening now. We explored synonyms like present, existing, ongoing, contemporary, and recent. We also looked at antonyms such as past, former, future, previous, and outdated. We examined how current is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Remember, current is all about what's happening right now. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word current. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, for your homework, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word current and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read your sentences. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next episode of Hello Word.